Hey guys, Trevor here. In this video, I'll show you how to make a call from your iPhone with no caller ID. It's quick and easy, so let's jump right in. There are two methods to hide your caller ID. Method 1, hide caller ID for all calls. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Phone. Find and tap Show My Caller ID. Toggle it off to hide your caller ID. When this is turned off, every call you make will show as no caller ID for the recipient. Tip: if you only want to hide caller ID for one call, you can toggle this off, make the call, and toggle it back on. Method 2, hide caller ID for a specific call. Open the phone app and go to the keypad. Dial 67 followed by the phone number you want to call, e.g. 67123456789. When you use 67, your call will appear as no caller ID for just that one call. Optional: save the number with +67 as a contact if you want all calls to that person to hide your caller ID. And that's it. You now know how to make calls with no caller ID on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, leave a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.